Rajiv from?
Do you take a video?
Yeah.
Video. Oh, Rajiv, sorry.
Rajiv from where, sir?
I'm from
Delhi. And what do you do, sir?
I just left the job. Basically, I'm retiring.
Okay.
Yeah, this last December.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
I'll be
And
doing some consulting work.
Huh?
I'll do some consulting work.
consulting work.
Going forward. Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, again, what thoughts come to you when you're sitting over here or doing the trip? You're trekking, right?
That's right. Yeah. Three of us are together. Yes.
Okay.
We generally do walks together in Delhi.
Okay.
And that's two of us were colleagues at one point in time. One third one
Uh-huh.
got to know from the walks together.
Okay.
Then over a period of time, the interest is common, and that's what got us together.
All right. So, would you like to add something into this?
Well, I've been trekking for a while, so
Uh-huh. So, why trekking?
I think it's something which teaches you so many things. I think the first thing it shows you is the fact that there is more to life than just living in a city. And the walk is very rewarding. The journey is very rewarding.
Rewarding.
Very rewarding.
How? How can it be rewarding?
Because you put yourself under physical duress,
Okay.
okay? And it helps you open out reserves which in your mind, which I don't think you know exist. Okay?
Right,
They
right.
make you a much more deeper person.
Right.
So every time I go back from a trek, and I trek every month,
Every month, is it?
okay, I feel slightly more elevated.
Uh-huh.
So pretty similar to the heights one goes to. That's the reason one treks.
You feel like free or something?
It's not only free. It's there's so many things.
You
It's
feel
humbling.
aware of yourself.
It's humbling. You are aware of yourself. You put yourself under duress. You push yourself. And if somebody tells you trekking is physical, it's not.
Okay.
Trekking is 90% mental.
Mental, that's true. 99%.
If you can find mental strength in what you do, it's the most amazing thing which can happen.
So why is it important?
Why isn't it important? Because, in today's world, if you look at it, everybody's running after, I did it myself, you're working 14, 16 hours a day behind a desk. What for? What is the reward you get? This is the reward. So, I would, tell people, I possibly started later, but people should do this at an early age. I think it makes a person out of an individual.
Okay.
It changes people.
Changes.
Changes people. That's of course.
Yeah, please add.
No, I said if I may add on, it gets you away from your regular routine. The fact is that otherwise, you may say that there's a lot of time that you want for yourself, more to yourself, but never get the time. Every day you just postpone to the next day. But this just forces you to be away. I mean, for example, now for a week, none of us have spoken at home.
At home.
Yeah.
And
What's
that's the
happening out
most
there,
horrifying thing one can imagine, not speaking at home.
And when you're in Delhi or wherever you are, probably you do 30 times or you're expected to kind of be in touch, on a regular basis, because the technology allows you to do that. Just because technology allows you to indulging into that, not necessarily that's mandatory or that's required.
Right.
So to that extent, I think that's not to mention the fact that it makes you feel the magnitude of the universe. When you see we think we are big guys, or whatever you're doing within the city, we all think we are big.
Yeah, that's true.
But this big, as I said, is a very humbling experience. You see the nature and you see how small you are.
What do
Then
you do,
it gets you to put things in proper perspective.
Right.
Absolutely right. I quit my job 3 years back.
Okay.
So now I trek. I think that's my major occupation. That's
So
what I do.
please add.
It helps me to unwind.
Unwind.
One, helps me to disconnect with worldly things,
Okay.
and it helps me to connect with God
Really.
that we seek for.
You come here to focus.
I have been trekking for quite some time now,
Okay.
4 to 5 years. We have
5
been-
years. Every season. you
Wow,
Every month or
that's
2 months.
really a big achievement and accomplishment. Your inspiration actually.
Your
Inspiration, sir.
actually. What you have said.
When I age, I would dream to age like you, gracefully.
You also started very late. You also started above the age of 52 or something.
52.
Yes, we started. We started
At
realized
the
that
age
we
of
should do something
25,
different.
don't believe in them.
We suddenly thought that we should do something different in life. Apart from pursuing something, career, money, something like that. We said, let's do something different. So we came to
He's into Titan eyewear, and I'm into interior. So this is out of passion we started
very
off.
nice. Continue this.
And we thought, trying to do exactly something different.
It is different.
Actually, yeah, even I started in
It does tell you your physical limits, right? Your mental limits. It makes you mentally very strong. And it disconnects you with the worldly things.
That's true.
I mean, you're living with minimum things over here.
You suddenly realize, you have
But nothing
20
is
needs
important.
or 50 needs. You have cars, you have this. And once you go back, you say, well, how does it make a difference? So
That is
people are
one
running
part.
after material things.
Over here, you're staying absolutely in minimal things. Water is also drinking from the source. You're not
And
having
a
an
kilometer
RO
is
water.
crossed in an hour. A kilometer is crossed in an
Depends on where you are going and how you're doing it.
Highest we usually do in
So
45
that
1 hour.
means nothing is important, nothing is urgent.
Yes. There is no urgency here.
Here.
We have
As I
not
said, the
spoken to
journey
our
is very
home for
important.
last 1 week. So happy. We're happy. Otherwise,
yeah, but the good age is to start early, of course.
Ah,
in
good age to
20s, and in fact, actually, I started in 20s. I mean, both
Oh.
with
We
families.
started, okay.
But not necessarily trekking, but going to the hills, going to the mountains. But it was not always trekking. It would actually be driving up as well. Yeah. So
the way you're off to Rupur,
That's right.
who plays? But tough. You're very good. Very good.
So from you, tough is like a small word.
I know we tough. So it's a God's
it's
gift
enjoyable,
to
yeah.
mankind. I mean, once you go there, you forget everything.
Better than this?
Oh, this is nothing for you.
Yeah.
oh, this is
Once you see the Rupkund, you'll forget everything.
You just go to the next camp. That is beautiful.
Every camp is different in
Bhagwasa is a